this is the Tomzon U48A, and here is the B. They do make two versions. They have the Flying Motorcycle and the Flying Man. So you're gonna have to see the next video because the Flying Man is gonna be in the next one. This video is gonna be the Flying Motorcycle. So let's open this up. First off, we got the instruction manual here, and a little caution card here, and a thank you card. Okay, just got to be smarter than the box. Alright, in this little pouch we got 4 propellers, USB charging cable, and well, that's it for that. And there is the controller. It almost looks like a UDI-RC controller. Takes 3 AAA batteries. So here is the Flying Motorcycle. Looks like his hands came off the handlebars there. There we go. So here is the charging port, and we have the on and off switch back here. And yeah, it looks like you can't change out the battery. I do see the battery inside there, but oh hey, what's up, dude? We are gonna charge that up, and well, let's fly this thing around. Looks pretty neat.
Now we're gonna fly this U48A. In the back here is the on and off switch, and then turn it on here. Put it down here on the ground. It's kind of bare. I don't think the propellers are gonna hit the ground there, but for it to bind, you see the fast flashing LED there. For it to bind, you just up, down, and now it's a slow LED flash, and now it's solid. So now we are connected. You can't take off just by hitting up on the stick there. You have to take off through auto takeoff. So there we go. And it is altitude hold. It's holding pretty nice, actually. For once, I don't have any wind, so that is nice. It has a little bit of punch. I am in the low rate. It does have 2 rates. It has a high and a low. And it has a little bit of a punch on the low rate. And let's change it to high. Is it right here? Okay, well that beeped 3 times. No, the throttle punch doesn't really change. It's just the pitch changes a little bit, and it does speed up a little faster. So unfortunately, this thing does not do any flips or rolls, so that's kind of disappointing. But man, this thing is stable as could be. I mean, look at that. Other than, oh, here. See, it's drifting front like that. Here's how you do the trim. You hold this button in and you... it's still drifting away on me. Hold this in. Okay, so there must be a breeze. I don't feel a breeze. There must be a breeze going that way. But now it's holding. So, like I said, to trim, you hold the left button in. Let's trim it to the right. And actually, it's not trimming at all, but that's how you do the trim. So, there must be an ever slight breeze that's pushing it that way. I can hardly feel anything like at all. But let's just fly this around. Another thing that's a little disappointing is the fact that you can't take the battery. Well, you have to take screws out and stuff. If you dismantle it, then you can take the battery out. But other than that, you can't just pop a new battery in. So that's one downside to it. but we're just gonna see how long this thing flies. I'm guessing it's probably gonna be about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, another thing it has, let's see, it has headless mode. So yeah, there is headless mode. So I can face anyway, and yep, see, I spin around, it's still coming back to me. So that is headless mode there. Another thing it has is a demo button. So it has like a demo 1. Let's see what. Okay, so this is demo 1. And is that it? It flew front, turned around, and flew back, and then stopped. So that was demo 1, and this would be demo 2. So demo 2 is like, how many times was that around? That is 1 time and 2 times around. So it just does a like super slow funnel, if you want to call it that, or just does 2 really slow circles. Let's do that again. I mean, this thing, as good as this thing flies, I would, and with the altitude hold, I mean, anybody can fly this thing. And this is top speed. So it's not too fast as far as and that's it, and it just died. So I'm not sure how long that was. I'd have to look at the footage. Maybe I'll flash it up on the screen here and I'll show you the flight time. But that was it for the U48A. This was yet another good flyer, but that'll do it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So go ahead, like it, subscribe, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.